Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to check follow request sent on Instagram. To do this, first of all, open your Instagram and then click on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. From there, select Account Center and then hit on your information and permissions. Then select Download your information. Now click on download or transfer information and select the appropriate application. Then select some of your information and then scroll down until you see followers and following. Click on that and hit on next. And select download device. Now wait until it gets downloaded and you can see your follow requests on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe.